Today, our grades 1 to 3 students went on a very special journey, not just to any park, but to a place full of wonder, nature, and discovery.
Now we are at Bampaku. We got here by train!
So we choose Bampaku Kinen Kōen for field trip because there are so many nature. Students usually didn't see the insect and then many beautiful tree and flowers. So I want students have kind of this experience. And also we want students to have a really good relationship through G1 to G3. So we decided to have our field trip in Bampaku Kinen Kōen with grade 1 to grade 3.
The lizard's house was most fun because I like lizards.
My favorite part of field trip is making a rings because I didn't know how to make the leaves and flowers, how to make rings. I interested about that.
So this field trip was really positive for our G3 class because we got to be leaders. We got to show the grade 2 class and the grade 1 class how to get on the metro and then how to act while we're on the tour in the park. And we were also able to observe nature. So we saw different plants and some different insects and learned more about the world around us.
We also had time to relax and enjoy the sunshine. Sometimes learning happens when we're just being ourselves. AIC World College of Osaka, exploring the world through nature.